Welcome to day 142 of van life. If there's one thing we've learned living on the road, it's that no 2 days are ever the same. Some days are spent chasing trails for miles, others are full of errands and dog walks, and sometimes it's just laptop life inside the van. But no matter what, each day has its own rhythm. Today, we're racing against a brutal heat wave in southern Utah and heading north with no idea where we'll sleep tonight in downtown Salt Lake City. Come along as we share a real, unfiltered look at a day in our life living in a van. After hiking almost 14 miles yesterday, today is going a bit slower than planned. Before we head on the road, I have to squeeze in a couple hours of work to organize our footage from yesterday. One nice thing about having a little bit of a slower morning today is that the park visitor center is now open, so we can head back into the park to turn in our junior ranger books, become junior rangers of Canyonlands National Park. Before we head to our hike today with Ollie, we want to give Ollie some love today because we've been to so many national parks lately that she's just not allowed. And so today we're going to do some hikes, do some traveling. It's going to be a great day.
And repeat after me as a junior ranger.
As a junior ranger.
With most of the park so far, we have gotten our junior ranger badge, which means that we are official junior rangers.
Now that we are officially done with the Mighty Five, it's time for our final hike in southern Utah and to check out a trail that we've heard a lot about so far. We get to finally bring Ollie on the trail.
We are here at Corona Arch, and this trail is on BLM land and is dog friendly.
Now, while this trail is only a couple of miles long, we are starting it later than we planned. And so the Moab Trail Association was here at the trailhead, and they told us the ground temperature is like 116 degrees. So if Ollie starts to show any signs of distress, she's going in the backpack. So that's our plan B, but our plan A is just moving quickly and hopefully seeing an incredible view at the end and getting Ollie tired for the drive today. Good girl. Drink up. Hydration station. I have a feeling we are not gonna make it all the way to Corona Arch. Ollie's already hot, so we're just gonna kind of see how she does. We just gave her some water. We're gonna go to the viewpoint and probably turn around there, and then maybe she'll be princess carried back. That's okay. I'm glad we're getting her outside, getting a little exercise. Today is like the hottest day in Utah that it's been in a long time. It's a high of 88 today. It's almost 80 degrees right now. And so we are heading north today. So I'm really excited to just get on the road again and seeing a different territory. Utah has been like completely insane and incredible. The Mighty Five have been awesome, but the temperature's getting warm. And when you live in a van or when you live in a boat, there's this thing called chasing 80. And I think in the van it's more like chasing 70, but yeah, it's time to get moving. You doing good, girlfriend?
Yeah.
You wanna be Princess Carrie on the way back?
Yes, Dad.
Good girl.
You tried your best. You made it.
You made it 0.95 miles. That's a 2-mile walk when we get back. Although I don't think you're gonna be walking back. You're gonna be getting carried back.
Yeah.
It's a hot day.
Yes, good girl.
Well, that's on us. That's what we get for hiking so much yesterday and trying to plan a lot today. Sometimes things don't quite work out, but
That's also part of van life, that you have to be flexible.
that's right. All right, I'm gonna empty my bag. Let's get Ollie in there.
Yeah.
Up.
Up. Let's go. Yeah, keep hold of her paws.
Yeah, I got it. Ollie, calm down. Neighbor, let me some sugar.
Yeah, I am your neighbor. I need to kind of keep her. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold her.
I got her.
Okay. Because basically her legs are extended. So her.
Are you standing up?
Yeah.
Look at that. You see that? That's an arch. It's a Corona arch. See how big it is? Yeah, it's really big. Ollie's locked and loaded. We have about a mile to get back. Vamos. Well, we made it back to the van. Ollie is pooped. That was a solid 1.8 mile hike. Now it's officially time to start heading north to Alaska. Today marks our first day. We're gonna be taking the Alaskan highway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. With our long road trip today, we are removing our table so that Ollie has a nice long bench to pass out because I know she's tired. So trying to make the van nice and comfortable for her. She seems to like the van a lot so far. So, bench mode engaged. APF. Let's go. Yeah, we've made it to Salt Lake City in a van life essential, Planet Fitness. It is time for some showers, but first, it's time to eat. We're hungry. Well, the location of dinner might not be that nice. We are in a parking lot with a busy road behind us, but that's van life, honestly. Some days, we've been in southern Utah for the past month, so most of our days have been out on like beautiful BLM campsites, but a lot of days are still like this. But regardless of our surroundings, we have everything we need to cook great meals inside our van, including tonight's dinner. Jennifer's made a new one tonight. This is Marry Me chicken. It's a one-pot meal, so it's an easy meal for van life. It's chicken, mushroom, spinach, orzo, sun-dried tomatoes, coconut milk, and it smells really good. It's also really hot, but let's see if we can do one bite. Aptly named. That is just so savory. Honestly, it's savory. I wish it wasn't a hot day today. It'd be better on a colder day. But once this cools down a little bit, it's gonna be so good. Thanks for making it.
You're welcome. Actually, one of our favorite things about van life is being able to go to Planet Fitness. It sounds like, oh, not that big of a deal, but for two people who didn't have access to a gym, we're actually really excited about it. So our streak for going to the gym and then showering is like 100%. So let's go work out.
Alright, unfortunately, we cannot stay the night at this Planet Fitness, so we are off to find our stealth camping spot for the night.
Continue on 3300 south for 1.5 miles.
Home sweet home. With that, I hope y'all enjoyed our day in the life. It's about 15 minutes to 11 and we are pooped, but I think this is gonna be a great place to spend the night. Make sure you stay tuned next week as we continue our story as we head up to Alaska. Leave us a comment below if anything surprised you about van life. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you in the next video.